Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to screen recording with your sound on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I'm provide full guide. So simply go to my control center, showing it to screen recording option, but some devices missing this option. So at first I'm remove and I'm provide how you can easily add screen record in this control section. Long press, add a control, and you just find here screen recording. Go to search option, just press on. Now successfully add screen recorder. Long press. If you want to turn on microphone, make sure to turn on microphone. Okay, press on start recording. So look here, now start my screen recording and it's stop. Now I'm checking. That's it.